Hi, my name is Felipe Ramirez. I'm a first-year PhD student in HEB. I want to briefly discuss the project that I did for CS50 this term, since this is my first venture into programming, and I actually have a really long road ahead of me with research. I wanted to combine what I've learned in CS50 and what I'll be doing in the lab. Thus, let me introduce you to data processing and analyzing using four-parameter logistic regression in Python for ELISA's assays. Really quick, ELISA assays are enzyme-linked immunoabsorbent assays. They're typically used to detect and quantify biologically relevant targets of interest. Primary outcomes and basically functions and goals for my program was to process data files, model the data under different conditions, quickly review the most important outputs for the data that's processed. Second, I wanted to create something that could be scaled up or modified in the future, something that's not just used for CS50, something that would be very useful going forward. Wanted to be able to use this to introduce students to programming, working with data on the statistics course that I teach at Cal State LA, and combine what I'm doing in lab and what I was learning at CS50. Lastly, what it does very quickly, it takes data that's input from the ELISA assays that are processed, prints the coefficients for bottom, slope, midpoint, and top, and provides the model data in a PNG file and coefficients in a CSV file. We have our program here. There's a bunch of libraries to make sure that if you run this, you install the appropriate libraries that are determined in the README program. Here we have the output that you would get from the 4PLTP program. Here you would have the CSV, and here we have the figure. Thank you.